Welcome to Crypto for the Rest of Us. I try to teach and entertain with respect to the crypto market, looking at, most importantly, how to analyze crypto just like we would traditional investments. It's the Wild West out there. There's data and information all over the place. There's all sorts of tools, new ones coming every day. So how do we sift through and evaluate these things? So I take a look at the various tools, definitions of various things like the different narratives and where certain cryptos may fit, news that may pop up if it's newsworthy, and then we'll evaluate and get into coins as well. So every day I'll go over something new. I'm trying to grow this channel with like-minded people that are looking to actually analyze crypto, because if you're like me, you believe that the future of innovation is in crypto and is in the blockchain. And therefore, the only way to really participate in these things, if you're not one who's developing or in one of these companies, these are not listed on the stock exchange, you want to participate, you're going to have to buy crypto. So there's a lot to learn and a lot to go over. If you would, please smash that like button. I'm trying to grow this by upward of 10,000 people within 6 months, get a community of people who want to analyze these things for the long term. I really see this as something that is just not going away and will only become bigger and bigger, especially when we get into things like the tokenization of real world assets, which is happening, and more. AI, you name it. Anyway, please smash that like button, subscribe. And I start off every show looking at the total. Here's 3 things that I recommend. I did a show about this, but I recommend that you bookmark. Trading View, free tool, has great paid tools as well. You can look at TOAL, which is the entire crypto market. I like to look at last run up versus now, and we seem to be in a sideways pattern. Most people will tell you that we're at the beginning of a bull run when it comes to the total crypto market. And then after Bitcoin runs, and here this is total 2, which removes Bitcoin and shows you the total market with respect to the altcoins. If you're like me and you believe that each successive bull run will be drawing in even more capital and growing even more, then as you can see here, it's only 60% or so of the last one so far. So if you believe like me it's going to overtake it, then this is the time to get into those altcoins. Altcoin being everything other than Bitcoin. I do believe in Bitcoin, of course, but when it comes to looking for gains in this bull run, I'm looking for things with smaller market caps that have the potential to really outperform. And then Dune, which is the third one that I look at daily, and you don't have to bookmark or look at these, just watch the show every day, because we go over and see that it's still in the green zone, meaning it's still a good time to purchase those altcoins. I always have to say this isn't financial advice, it's just entertainment. It's what I do, not necessarily what you should do. Okay, here's one person, individual, that I believe you might want to follow here on YouTube called Plan B. This is someone who came up with their stock to flow model, and they put out a video about once every month, but they basically have come up with a model to model Bitcoin and its growth, and it coincides essentially with each of the Bitcoin halvings, which happens every 4 years. 2012, 2016, 2020, and now 2024 was in April. I think it was around April 19th. Could be on or off a couple days, plus or minus a couple days. So he goes through 7 different charts, and I'm not going to go through his video. That would be doing him a disservice. I suggest, and I'll put links down to his YouTube channel. He just puts out a video once a month and goes over his model. He has 7 different charts here. Here's the main one showing that it looks like the prediction is within this bull run, potentially getting up to 500,000 within probably 2025. And then he also goes through, for example, with RSI. Let me see if I can just pull that up real quick. I love this one. Where is it? There it is. I like the relative strength index, just like we looked at Dune for the total crypto market and the altcoin market with respect to Bitcoin. You can see that with each of these halvings, his RSI model probably or does follow the same pattern. It's about in the middle here, 60, 70. Anyway, I'll put a link to this below. Here's his YouTube channel. Subscribe if you're wondering, hey, does anyone follow this individual? Well, he started on Twitter. I follow his Twitter account. He has 2 million followers. That's 2 million followers who are looking at the statistics and the modeling around Bitcoin halving, and how Bitcoin grows with respect to the price, because obviously it has a fixed 21 million supply. So this is another, I wouldn't say indicator, if you will. I mean, his model is an indicator. If the past predicts the future, which in some cases it does, in some cases it doesn't, his model seems to flow very well. Watch his video, take a look, because he explains it and it makes sense the way he's modeled it. So that's it for today. Hopefully this has been helpful. Here's yet another tool or resource that I think is worth watching over the long haul. Every month he's got a video. It's worth taking a look. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and smash that like button. Throw in any comments if you've got them. I appreciate it.